Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to delete your Google account permanently from your phone. There is nothing much to do, just you need to follow steps, very simple steps. So let's start the video. At first open the Gmail app, tap on the icon of your Google account. Here you will see the Google account option, so tap on it. And go to the data and privacy option, that is here. Now scroll down and scroll down until you see delete your Google account option. Now you will see this interface here. It will ask for your screen lock, then put it. Now scroll down to the last and agree to the all terms and conditions. Then tap on delete account option. Here if you want to recover your data and account in future, then you can add your recovery account, otherwise left it. Through this way you can easily delete your account permanently. So if this video helped you, then make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.